Okay, you have a character, you have a stage. Now you'll need the rest of the objects that are necessary for your story. This is props modeling. Remember, every object that you don't interact with, if it's static, that belongs in the environment. Props are interactive. You pick it up, you throw it, you destroy it, whatever you like. If there's a building that your character punches and things get blasted in the wall, then that wall is a prop. The rest of the building that doesn't get destroyed, that's the environment. Oh, also, same topology rules apply. Be efficient with your modeling. That overly high poly count, you think it's cool, but it will slow you down immensely. You gotta use that logic and common sense, man. Oh yeah, so, hope this helps. Thank you.